Welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. And check out my forum at computersluggish.com. In today's video, I will be showing you how to enable the new hardware accelerated GPU scheduling option in Windows 10. This option will help reduce latency and improve performance in your games. To start off with, first you need to go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and just click on the search or click on the start menu. You now need to type in graphics, and you now need to click on graphics settings, and you will now see at the top hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. As you can see, it says reduce latency and improve performance. You'll need to restart your PC to have the changes take place. So make sure you have everything saved before enabling this option. And if you do not see this option, then that will be because you need to be running the latest version of Windows 10, which is currently the May 2020 update. I will put a link in the description below on how to install the latest version of Windows 10. Also, you do need to have the latest graphics card drivers installed. But just remember, if your graphics card does not support hardware accelerated scheduling, then this option will not be available. We can now go ahead and press on. And there we go. All I need to do now is restart my PC. And that's it. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social media channels and forum.